Hey, change the ejective on it.
Where is it?
The village over the berm.
Fuck. Keep going. We can't stay here.
Everybody ready?
Yep, sure.
Right, 1 point.
Let's go.
Ain't gonna live forever, let's do it! Move!
Watch out, guys. You guys are in the line of fire. Watch your right side, Leaf!
Yeah. Fucking horrible punch right again.
Hey,
I'm gonna start dragging him.
we need a medic right up there. Woo!
Go.
Close. Watch out.
Can you pass the word to converge on the West Village?
Bashes.
They're moving up. We're standing.
Hey, where's Bash at?
Out. Come on. Suppose I can get safety him with this. First thing I'm doing when I get back is over to the
Hey, we got a medic?
Yeah, me.
Stay back.
Stay back.
I can actually drag him.
Hey, pay attention here.
Oh shit. What are we doing?
Watch out right here.
There you go. Why don't you let me drive?
Huh?
I'm about to shit. A little light.
The thing is
Watch your left.
At the end of the hall. End of the hall.
ah, damn it. Hit.
Fuck.
Hit. Medic.
Green up top of the berms!
Green up top.
We have a medic. Shit. Watch the window. Window.
Smoke!
Medic coming in.
On the berm.
Hit, Kid, watch that corner.
We got smoke on the side. Watch your right. Watch your right.
We got a medic with us.
Alright.
You got one building right side when you turn.
No, keep going. I'm just keeping cover.
Hey, we clear?
No, you gotta cut that back.
Hit.
Pass him back.
Yeah, shooting over you.
Oh, that was lame.
Didn't work.
I kind of pooped out. First window, right here.
Rod.
Right where I'm pointing. That keeps popping out.
There.
Oh, hit! God damn. Right in the face.
Hey, watch here!
4, 5,
Watch this way!
8, 9, 10.
Hit!
Oh. Bring it in. Window.
Yeah, he's right.
Get him, Bash, get him!
Hey, this left side, this window on the right side.
You got another one?
Smoke your grenade in?
Huh?
I got smoke.
You got smoke? Here, hold up. Night. Here, hold
You
up.
lobbing it in the window?
Are you gonna 203 him?
I got a
Bash has
rocket.
got the window.
Alright, well we have smoke, but if you're gonna 203 him, that's cool.
I don't know.
This window.
Make way for...
On that facing wall. He's in that first window.
No, it's just...
Past the corner.
the Velcro's still on now. We're probably gonna grab it.
I got him! Got him!
Alright, hey! Alright, I'm about to surprise you guys move. Alright, go.
Go, 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 go! Move, move!
go!
Move!
I'm sorry, I'm getting in your way. Actually, you're medic. You stay back. They got that.
You still in?
You gotta.
You still in? What do we got over here?
Trouble.
Really? Right over the wall? He's out. Oh. I think we're good.
Grab him and drag him.
Fuck, hit. Thanks.
You got medic over there?
Okay. Here, you switch me spots. You get up there, and as soon as it pops, I'm gonna grab Bash.
Yeah,
Throw it.
enemies west side of the skill house. Oh shit, no it's not.
Come on, man. What the hell, man? It's not popping.
Medic in the room over there.
Do we?
If I see him, I'd be coming around the side right now.
Okay, ready?
Okay, he's shooting.
Where's he at?
He's right straight above you. That corner, right straight at your 12.
Oh, that was shitty. Huh?